It's great to see everyone out enjoying themselves today, and one person who is also enjoying themselves is the Mayor of Belfast, Ryan Murphy. Having a good time?
Unbelievable. It's great to be in the city centre today. The numbers alone are just a massive buzz about Belfast Parade, and then even seeing the crowds here in the front lawns of City Hall for Féile Rocks Parade as well. Unbelievable.
Now, I've seen you taking part in the parade yourself.
Yeah, what an experience. I've been to the parade over many years now, but that's the first time being first citizen of Belfast and leading it. And even the people who say me and talking to them, they were getting dead emotional about it. It's unreal. It's the single biggest event that takes place in the city right throughout the year, and it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. But I think it just shows what Belfast is all about. We are an inclusive city, we are a diverse city as well, and that demonstrates it today.
And one of the best things is Féile is here as well.
Anywhere where Féile goes, we usually have a bit of crack, loads of entertainment and really good music. But it's fantastic to have Féile back down here in the front lawn of City Hall.